Hey everyone, welcome back to Channel WA Reviews. Are you tired of earbuds that can't keep up with your lifestyle? Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the TOZO NC3 Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Wireless Earbuds, a game changer for audio enthusiasts. Let's see if they live up to the hype. First up, the unboxing experience. The TOZO NC3 comes in premium packaging that feels both sleek and sturdy. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Inside, we have the earbuds and charging case, a USB-C charging cable, multiple ear tips for a perfect fit, and, of course, the quick guide and user manual. The earbuds themselves have a modern, minimalist design with a matte finish that resists fingerprints. The charging case is compact, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Now, let's talk about one of the standout features. Intelligent noise cancellation. The TOZO NC3 automatically adjusts the noise cancellation depth, tailoring the experience to your environment. Whether you're in a noisy cafe or a quiet office, these earbuds provide the perfect balance between tranquility and comfort. Battery life is a crucial factor for wireless earbuds, and the TOZO NC3 delivers in spades with 55 hours of extended playback. That's enough to last through days of commutes, workouts, and Netflix binges. With fast charging, a quick 10-minute charge provides up to 2 hours of playback. Perfect for those "I forgot to charge" moments. Pairing is straightforward. Just open the case, out the earbuds, and they pop up instantly on your Bluetooth settings. Gamers and movie buffs, this one's for you. The TOZO NC3 features a low latency mode, ensuring perfectly synchronized audio and visuals. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or scrolling through TikTok, the experience is seamless and immersive. Check this out. It's smooth, no delays. Of course, the most important part, sound quality. The TOZO NC3 delivers rich bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, making it versatile for all music genres. I tested everything from acoustic to EDM, and the earbuds performed beautifully. So, is the TOZO NC3 worth it? Absolutely. With its intelligent noise cancellation, incredible battery life, and low latency mode, these earbuds offer fantastic value for the price. If you're interested, grab your pair using the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Until next time, keep your sound crystal clear